Hey guys, it's raining cats and dogs and storming outside, so I thought I would just show the demolding in the video of my first set of handles. So hopefully this goes well. We shall see. I made this mold yesterday with this 20T Mold Star silicone rubber, and I made it out of these handles right here. And last night I actually made the handles in there, so we're gonna pull them out, see if it worked. So we're just releasing the edges. I can kind of push here on the base of it, trying to wiggle it up. I was supposed to use 15T, but I had ordered 20T, so I just used what I had. So this is really thick. So the idea is I make my own handles. I can customize the handles for the geode trays. So I didn't fill in the little bottom of the handles, so I got a little nub in there, so I'll need to sand that off. And then the top, it's a little bit rough. It's not shiny over here like I thought it would be. So that's a negative maybe. But it's definitely a handle. It's a lot lighter weight. If I could buff that up a little bit. Yeah. So it might work. I have another mold friend who's made one, so I think I'm gonna order it from her. I'm betting hers will be shiny. Dang, it's raining hard, guys. My husband just left to go to the store too. So just gonna get a hold of it. There we go. Bubble right there. I knew my little flakes were gonna fall, and they did. It's okay. So yeah, I'm gonna work on figuring out how to buff this up, make it shiny. But definitely a fun way to make your handles customized. And I need to dome this as well, because handles are expensive and sometimes they're boring. But yep, so that's what I did. I made a handle mold for my geode trays. All right, bye guys.